Hello, fellow travelers. Today, we're whisking away to Cádiz, a captivating city nestled along the sun-kissed southwestern coast of Spain. This city, with its rich history and vibrant culture, is a true gem waiting to be discovered. Imagine a place where history whispers from ancient walls, where every corner tells a story of the past, and where the echoes of bygone eras can still be felt. Golden beaches beckon with the promise of relaxation, inviting you to bask in the sun, take a refreshing dip in the sea, or simply enjoy a leisurely stroll along the shore as the sun sets in a blaze of colors. And the aroma of delicious tapas fills the air, tantalizing your taste buds with the promise of culinary delights. From fresh seafood to traditional Spanish dishes, the food scene here is a feast for the senses. That's Cádiz, a city that effortlessly blends old-world charm with modern vibrancy. Here you can find a harmonious mix of the old and the new, where historical landmarks stand proudly alongside contemporary architecture. Cádiz is located in the Andalusia region, known for its Moorish influence, passionate flamenco dancing, and warm hospitality. This region is a melting pot of cultures, and Cádiz is no exception. This enchanting city is situated on a peninsula, jutting out into the Atlantic Ocean, giving it a unique atmosphere and breathtaking views. The sea is an ever-present backdrop, adding to the city's charm and allure. Whether you're a history buff, a beach bum, a foodie, or simply seeking an authentic Spanish experience, Cádiz has something special in store for you. The city's diverse offerings ensure that every visitor finds something to love. Imagine strolling through narrow, cobblestone streets lined with colorful houses adorned with flower boxes overflowing with vibrant blooms. These picturesque streets are perfect for wandering and discovering hidden gems. Picture yourself indulging in fresh seafood paella while gazing at the sparkling blue waters. The combination of delicious food and stunning views creates an unforgettable dining experience. Envision yourself getting lost in the rhythm of flamenco music and the warmth of the locals. The passionate performances and friendly atmosphere make you feel like a part of the community. Join me as we delve into the heart of Cádiz, uncovering its hidden gems, savoring its culinary delights, and immersing ourselves in its rich culture. There's so much to see, taste, and experience in this enchanting city. Get ready for an unforgettable adventure. Cádiz awaits with open arms, ready to share its beauty, history, and warmth with you. Let's embark on this journey together and create memories that will last a lifetime. Cádiz boasts a history as rich and layered as the flavors of its cuisine. This ancient city, with its narrow winding streets and sun-drenched plazas, invites us to explore its storied past. Founded by the Phoenicians over 3,000 years ago, it's considered one of the oldest continuously inhabited cities in Western Europe. The Phoenicians, known for their seafaring prowess, established Cádiz as a crucial trading post, leaving behind a legacy that still echoes through the city. As we wander through its historic center, we'll uncover remnants of its illustrious past. The cobblestone streets and ancient buildings tell stories of the various civilizations that have called Cádiz home, from the Romans to the Moors, each leaving their indelible mark. Our first stop is the iconic Cádiz Cathedral, a magnificent Baroque structure that dominates the city skyline. This architectural marvel, with its blend of Baroque and neoclassical styles, stands as a testament to the city's rich religious heritage. Its golden dome, shimmering under the Spanish sun, houses a treasure trove of art and religious artifacts. The cathedral's interior is equally breathtaking, with its soaring ceilings and intricate carvings that reflect the craftsmanship of a bygone era. As we step inside, we'll be awestruck by its grandeur and intricate details. The cathedral's chapels and altars are adorned with exquisite paintings and sculptures, each telling a story of faith and devotion. Next, let's venture to the Torre Tavira, the highest point in the Old City. This 18th century watchtower, once used for spotting ships, now offers visitors a unique perspective on Cádiz's layout and history. This 18th century watchtower offers panoramic views of Cádiz, allowing us to trace its history through its architecture and landmarks. From here, we can see the city's evolution, from its ancient origins to its modern-day vibrancy. From here, we can spot the ancient Roman theater, a testament to the city's Roman past. This well-preserved structure, once a hub of entertainment and social gatherings, now stands as a silent witness to the passage of time. No exploration of Cádiz's history would be complete without a visit to the Castillo de San Sebastian, a fortress standing guard at the end of a long promenade. This historic site, with its strategic location, played a crucial role in defending the city from seaborne threats. Built in the 18th century, this imposing structure once protected the city from invaders. Its thick walls and sturdy bastions are a reminder of the turbulent times when Cádiz was a key player in maritime conflicts. As we walk along the promenade, the sea breeze whispering tales of pirates and naval battles, we'll feel the weight of history all around us. The waves crashing against the shore seem to carry the echoes of centuries past, inviting us to delve deeper into Cadiz's fascinating story. Cádiz is blessed with stunning beaches that cater to every taste. Whether you seek relaxation, water sports, or simply a place to soak up the sun, Cadiz's coastline has something for you. Prepare to be mesmerized by the golden sands and crystal-clear waters of the Atlantic. Playa de la Caleta, nestled in the heart of the city, is a favorite among locals and tourists alike. Framed by two historic castles, this beach offers a picturesque setting for swimming, sunbathing, or enjoying a refreshing drink at a beachside chiringuito. For a more expansive stretch of sand, head to Playa de la Victoria, one of the longest urban beaches in Europe. This lively beach offers a plethora of activities, from volleyball and beach soccer to windsurfing and kitesurfing. As the sun begins its descent, the sky erupts in a kaleidoscope of colors, creating a magical ambiance. If you're seeking tranquility, escape to the nearby Playa de la Cortadura, a natural paradise with pristine sands and dunes. This secluded beach is perfect for long walks, shell collecting, or simply unwinding to the sound of the waves. Beyond the beaten path, hidden treasures of Cádiz. While Cadiz's main attractions are captivating, venturing off the beaten path reveals hidden gems that showcase the city's authentic charm. Let's uncover some of these local secrets. Tucked away in the labyrinthine streets of the Old Town, we stumble upon the Mercado Central, a bustling food market that tantalizes our senses. Here we can mingle with locals, savor the aromas of fresh produce and seafood, and perhaps even pick up some local delicacies to take home. Next, we wander into the charming neighborhood of El Populo, one of the oldest parts of Cádiz. Its narrow streets, adorned with colorful flower boxes and wrought iron balconies, transport us back in time. As we explore this hidden gem, we'll discover quaint squares, traditional tapas bars, and a sense of tranquility that's hard to find elsewhere. For a unique perspective of the city, let's climb the Torre del Vigia, a 16th century watchtower that offers breathtaking views of Cádiz and the Bay of Cádiz Natural Park. From this vantage point, we can appreciate the city's strategic location and the beauty of its surroundings. A feast for your senses, savoring Cadiz's cuisine. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds with Cadiz's delectable cuisine. This coastal city offers a rich tapestry of flavors that reflect its unique history and vibrant culture. Influenced by its coastal location and rich history, Cadiz's gastronomy is a delightful fusion of fresh seafood, flavorful meats, and vibrant spices. The city's culinary scene is a testament to its diverse cultural influences, from the Phoenicians to the Moors, each leaving their mark on the local cuisine. Prepare yourself for a culinary adventure. Whether you're a seafood lover or a fan of hearty meat dishes, Cádiz has something to offer everyone. No trip to Cádiz is complete without indulging in its most iconic dish, pescado frito. This beloved dish is a staple in Cádiz and a must-try for any visitor. This simple yet delicious dish consists of an assortment of fresh fish, lightly battered and deep-fried to crispy perfection. The fish is sourced daily from the local markets, ensuring the freshest catch. Enjoy it with a squeeze of lemon and a cold beer while soaking up the lively atmosphere of a local tapas bar. The combination of the crispy fish, tangy lemon, and refreshing beer is simply unbeatable. Another must-try is tortillitas de camarones, small crispy fritters made with chickpea flour, shrimp, and onions. These fritters are a perfect example of Cadiz's ability to transform simple ingredients into culinary delights. These flavorful bites are best enjoyed hot and fresh, and they pair perfectly with a glass of chilled sherry, a fortified wine produced in the nearby town of Jerez de la Frontera. The sherry's rich, complex flavors complement the fritters beautifully. For a taste of Cadiz's Moorish heritage, be sure to sample some tapas at one of the many traditional bars in the Old Town. The narrow, winding streets are filled with hidden gems where you can enjoy a variety of small plates. Indulge in flavorful dishes like albondigas, or meatballs and almond sauce, a dish that showcases the Moorish influence with its use of nuts and spices. Espinacas con garbanzos, which is spinach with chickpeas, is another dish that reflects the blend of cultures in Cádiz. This hearty and nutritious dish is a favorite among locals and visitors alike. And don't miss out on tagine, a slow-cooked stew with a blend of aromatic spices. This dish, with its rich flavors and tender meat, is a perfect example of the culinary fusion that makes Cadiz's cuisine so special. As you savor the diverse flavors of Cadiz, you'll find that each dish tells a story of the city's past and present. From the bustling markets to the cozy tapas bars, every bite is a celebration of Cadiz's rich culinary heritage. Festive spirit experiencing local celebrations. Cadiz truly comes alive during its vibrant festivals, where locals and visitors alike come together to celebrate their rich culture and traditions. If you're lucky enough to visit during one of these special occasions, prepare to be swept away by the infectious energy and festive spirit. One of the most anticipated events is Carnaval de Cadiz, a 2-week extravaganza of music, dance, and satire. During Carnival, the streets transform into a giant open-air stage, with groups of performers known as chirigotas entertaining the crowds with their witty and often satirical songs and skits. Another highlight is Semana Santa, or Holy Week, which takes place the week leading up to Easter. During this time, Cadiz is filled with solemn processions, with elaborate floats carrying religious statues through the streets, accompanied by mournful music and the scent of incense. For a taste of local folklore, visit Cadiz during the Fiesta de los Tosantos, a unique festival that celebrates All Saints' Day with a playful twist. During this time, markets are filled with stalls selling sweets and treats shaped like bones, skulls, and other macabre symbols.